I don't really want to talk about it, okay?
This expired in May. Cool. Lovely. Rude. Like syrups.
This tomato has had better days.
That's frozen solid. Literally 2 trash bags.
I'm disgusting.
Y'all, I just want to let y'all know that living with boys has not helped my, not eager to cleanness at all. I'm going to show you guys my fridge right now. I don't really want to talk about it, okay? Yeah, we literally can't even put anything in our fridge. Let me just show you guys. That's the top shelf, middle shelf, bottom shelf, and there's no telling what's in these drawers, y'all. Please ignore this one. This one was broken when we moved in here. Yeah, and the fact that it's piled full probably does not help it. Let's go through this. Mead, but it's almost gone. Is this even still good? Is this even still in date? No. This expired in May. Cool. Lovely. This says it's still good. Pickles, but like barely any. You know, if we would just throw away the stuff that we don't use, maybe we'd have some room in here. Okay, this stuff, y'all need to try this stuff. This is some good stuff. Now we're on the camera again. I bought this from Walmart. Y'all, this is so good. Like, I knew I liked it from Taco Bell, but like, need. We'll put all the like syrups. Well, we're gonna put all the little syrups in that corner, but it doesn't look like it wants to. So I guess we'll do it this way. Rude. These are very expired, right? Lemon's not. Lime is. I have these liquid chlorophyll drops that I was gonna like use every day, and I have not used them at all. I also bought this ranch from Dollar Tree. Don't ever buy this one. It's disgusting. I should probably clean this out while I'm down here. Look at me being productive and cleaning my fridge. I have no idea what's in this cheese thing up here. Probably some old nasty cheese. We have butter, and we have a bunch of like Taco Bell sauces. Throw that butter away because that looks disgusting. Start off with the easy part first, you know, the condiments. Layla's just watching me like, girl, what you doing? This is why I'm not this is why I'm not an aesthetic YouTuber, okay? I try to like get my stuff together, but that's besides the point. Let's get in here. No. Go ahead and put that baby in there because it won't fit anywhere else. Y'all, I'm not getting rid of anything. I need to get rid of this barbecue sauce. We don't need it. We don't need that. We don't need these pickle things. We need this Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna put my hot sauce and ranch down here. And then, do you want this Gatorade?
I don't know how long it's been in there.
Just throw it away.
Yes.
And we'll put Austin's ranch over here on the top. We're getting somewhere, y'all. Got the door organized, pretty much. Ketchup, ranch, mayo, this Louisiana hot sauce, Taco Bell sauces, pickle relish, pizza sauce, barbecue, and then syrups, other sauces, and then my wine takes up a big chunk of the door, but it's okay. Now, this. I think I'll start with the drawers. Please ignore that one. I know it's broken. Y'all don't have to tell me. I just shoved some of this in here, so these are good. That's good. Honey ham, October, okay. Chicken breast, definitely expired, but also October. This tomato has had better days.
This is gonna literally fall apart. Lettuce. I need to put this in the freezer or it's gonna be no good. December 5th. This tomato has definitely seen better days. Ew, disgusting. Cheese. Yeah. I'm disgusting. Some expired carrots. Look, more oranges. Not gonna clean out these drawers because I don't want to. Okay.
The thing is I don't want to do this anymore, but now I have to. Thanksgiving pie. Please explain to me. What is this? This is ranch. This is a container of ranch. Pasta. No good. Made that a long time ago. Cheese. I bet my brother doesn't even know this is in here. What's funny is all of the like food containers we have in here. This is a sub. I just bought these October 3rd, October 4th, 10/15. That is frozen solid. This creamer, also ruined frozen solid. This too.
Here's the fridge. I wish this wasn't broken, but I'm gonna wipe it down real fast, like, and then put everything in it. This is everything that just came out of my fridge. Like, some of this is good, some of this is bad, but this is everything that just came out of it. Y'all, I think this is all of the fridge stuff. That's crazy. It went to literally nothing. What? And look, this is all old food. Literally 2 trash bags. We're disgusting. Wait till I clean my pantry. That's gonna be worse. We're gonna have to wait till the trash runs for that one. Okay, I'm about to show you guys my finished fridge. It's not aesthetic. It's not aesthetically pleasing. It's just less crowded. Okay. Ta-da! Ignore the broken part. But I got eggs, sparkling water, butter, French onion dip, chicken breast. Okay, I put these here so I'd eat them. Hard-boiled eggs, carrots, avocado, pudding, salsa, cheese dip, yogurt, coffee creamers, milk that expires today. And I forgot I needed to put this in here, so we're just gonna put her there. Ta-da! There is the fridge tour. As you can see, we eat a bunch of freezer food. So, like, we don't keep much in the fridge, but look at our sauces. We're stocked up on them. Now that I feel 100 times better, I'm gonna wash these dishes because they're all so disgusting. And I just washed them yesterday. Like, why is being an adult so hard? Like, you always have something to do. Y'all, I just came in my room. Look at this. Layla. You are spoiled rotten, girl. Spoiled rotten. Oh my goodness. You are so freaking cute. I just finished cleaning the kitchen, y'all. I washed all the dishes, even the dishes that I've been putting away to wash. I washed all of them, so go me. Now it's 6:24. I think I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video so I don't have to like rush to edit it when I get off work tomorrow. I'm drinking my wine. Cheers. Here's to new blessings, opportunities, and growth, not just today, but every single day of your life. And I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 5.